Guards, carry out my command immediately.
Yes, Pharaoh.
In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to bring epic Bible stories, or any animation, to life with jaw-dropping 3D Pixar-style visuals using ChatGPT and Veo 3 for absolutely free. Let's get started! As the thumbnail and title suggest, I'll be creating a Pixar-style movie, choosing the story of Moses. But this process works for any animation or even faceless videos. You can easily adjust the prompt to fit different stories or styles. I have a detailed prompt that I'll paste into ChatGPT to generate image and animation prompts for Veo 3. I'll include this prompt in the description box so everything is clear and organized. With this, ChatGPT will create all the prompts I need for my Pixar-style Bible animation. After that, I'll ask ChatGPT to write the character dialogues for Veo 3. Once the dialogues are ready, the next step is to generate the images. For this, I'll also use ChatGPT since it's proven to be one of the best tools for producing 3D Ghibli-style images. I'll copy the entire image prompt and paste it into the generator prompt box. I do this because I've noticed that when I only ask ChatGPT to generate images for the first scene, it sometimes produces incorrect images. So this is the image for our first scene. Pretty impressive, right? I'll use the same method to generate the rest of the images until all the scenes are complete. The quality of these images is totally insane. And remember, I'm doing all this on the free plan. Proper prompting is all you need to achieve the best results. Once you're done with the images, it's time to move on to animation. And guess what? We're using Veo 3 for free. Let me show you how to get started. First, open your browser and search for Flow, or just click the link in the description. When you land on the Flow website, click on Create with Flow. Now you'll see a page asking you to subscribe. Don't freak out. You actually get a full month free. It's like a free trial, but without the sneaky fees hiding in the fine print. Just remember to cancel before the date it shows so they don't sneakily charge you, because we don't want any surprise bank drama. I'll go ahead and check out the $0 plan with my card. Yes, even though it's $0, they want your card info. Now we can start creating. Next, click on New Project, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see 3 options: text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. Since we already have our images, I'm going to choose frames to video. Upload your first image and then you'll get an option to crop it to the right size. Easy enough, right? Next, paste the Veo animation prompt that we generated earlier with ChatGPT. Now, here's a little pro tip. Make sure to select Veo 3 Fast. It only costs 20 credits per animation, and the quality is still super impressive, just like the full Veo 3 option, which takes 100 credits per generation. Once everything's set, hit the arrow button to generate. Veo will whip up 4 different versions for you to compare and pick the best one. The whole process takes less than a minute, so you won't even have time to make a cup of coffee. Now, let's hit play on our freshly generated videos and see what magic we've got.
Guards, carry out my command immediately.
Yes, Pharaoh.
I won't bore you by playing all 4 videos. I'll just pick my favorite and click Add to Scene. You'll see the clip appear on the timeline. Now here's a little trick. If you want to extend the same scene but with different visuals without generating a whole new image, just click Extend. Then type in a prompt describing what you want the next part of the scene to look like. I will just paste the one I generated with ChatGPT. And since AI is pretty clever, it will figure out the rest of the details for you. But here's the catch. This only works with Veo 2, so there won't be any sound. It's best used for simple animated shots without dialogue or audio. Think of it as a quick B-roll generator for your animation.
Guards, carry out my command immediately.
Yes, Pharaoh.
Just look at how smoothly it transitions to the next scene. Pretty impressive, right? Now, let's move on and generate the next video. So now I'm just going to upload our next image, paste in the animation prompt we got from ChatGPT, and hit the arrow to generate. Simple as that.
My precious son, from this moment, I place you in the hands of...
After animating all your images, you'll find every single one of your generations in the library section. Now, here's the fun part. I'm going to show you how to make your video look super high quality. Just click on Upscale. This process takes about a full minute. The best part, it won't cost you a single credit. That means you can upscale all your clips and give them a gorgeous 4K cinematic look without worrying about running out of points. Once everything's ready, just download all your videos and then we'll head over to CapCut for editing. Once you're in CapCut, upload all your videos and place them on the timeline. The main reason we're here is to crop our video to the YouTube size because remember, ChatGPT doesn't do 16:9 ratio just yet. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard so all the clips are selected. Then adjust them to fit the size. Don't forget to select the aspect ratio here in CapCut. If you like, you can also add music, effects, and captions. If you want to learn how to do that, watch the video after this one. Once you're done, export your video in 4K. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!
Carry out my command immediately.
Yes, Pharaoh.
Orders from Pharaoh. Search every home. Leave no corner unchecked.
My precious son, from this moment I place you in the hands of the Almighty.
And so the basket drifted upon the river, carrying a child destined for greatness, cradled by the waters of the Nile.
Look, what a beautiful child. How did he come to be here alone?
Princess, should we take him to the palace?
Yes, he will be cared for as one of Egypt's own.
Moses has defied me and killed my servant. Find him at once. Bring him before me. We will not fail, my Pharaoh.